Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add falling petals effect to your video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on effect option right here. Since we want to add effect, then we're going to click on video effect, and on this video effect we can select nature category. So if you haven't find the nature category, you have to scroll your screen. You can scroll all the way to the right like this until you find this nature category. And after you find the nature category, we just need to scroll down like this until we find falling petals. And this is the effect. So you have to tap on it. Then if you want to adjust the effect, you just need to click on adjust option right here. Then you can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. And for example, I'm going to reduce the speed like this. And after we are done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then we can make this effect align with the video, so we can drag the effect to the right like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the results. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can add falling petals effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.